Welcome to Math for Monday. This is packet lesson 2, and it's taking apart the numbers 11 through 15. And boys and girls, we've been talking about this all year, but we're going to tackle it again formally. All right, it's asking us to pick a number between 11 and 15. So I'm just going to randomly choose the number 14. So let's write the number 14. That's a 1 and a 4. And now we're going to break that number apart. That number stands for 10 and 4 more. So on this first 10 frame, we're going to fill it up all the way to 10. So get your crayon. And we're going to put our circles. Remember, we start on the top. That's 5. And we're going to fill that 10 frame. And that makes 10. And remember, our number is 14. So who can tell me how many we need to put in this bottom 10 frame? Remember, this is 10 and 4 more. We have 10. Exactly. We need the 4 more in the bottom 10 frame. So we're going to only put 4 circles in here. And that's showing us what the number 14 stands for. Remember, when we're counting our dates at calendar time, we don't have to count the whole 10 frame because we know it's full, so we can start at 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Right. All right. Let's turn to the page and look for the number 1 in the blue circle. And we're going to do this together. So this is the number 11. So we're going to trace over our number 11. And we can put a square around this first whole 10 frame because we know we have 10. We have 10 in that 10 frame. 10 and 1 more. 10, 1 more makes 11. All right, let's break apart the number 12. That's 1 group of 10 and 2 ones. Here's our group of 10. So put a block around that. We're going to write 10 and 2 more. Here's our 2 and 2 more. Make 12. All right, I'm going to see if you can do this one first and then I'll help you with it. So number 13. Okay, let's see if you did it correctly. 13 is 1 group of 10 and 3 more. Here's our group of 10. Did you remember to circle it? Here's our group of 10. And we have 3 more bathing suits. So we're going to say, and 3 more. That makes the number 13. All right, flip your paper like a pancake. And I see the number 4 with the goldfish. And this top one are beach balls. Does everybody know what number that is? 14. So let's trace over 14. Remember to start at the top when you're forming your numbers. And I see a full group of what right here? Exactly, a full group of 10 and 4 more. So remember, when you're counting, you don't have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You can say, I have a group of 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, counting on. All right, sunshines. 13, 1 and a 3. The 1 is in the tens place, the 3 is in the ones place. We have one whole group of 10. There's our group of 10. And we have 3 more. 3 more. And that breaks apart the number 13. 10 and 3 more. All right, baseball hats. Ooh, Ethan, I know you're going to like this one. Write the number 15. Do your best handwriting. What's the first thing we see? We see a full group of 10. So we're going to circle that and show that we have a group of 10. And how many more? It's a whole top row, so we know that's 5. And 5 more. Very good job. All right, and then we have one last page. All right, they want you to fill in with your crayons. We'll just do dots again, that's easiest. All right, I see the number 14, so we're going to trace the 14 down. 4 goes down, across, and down once more. Now this is telling me that I have one whole group of 10. So this whole group is going to be filled up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we've got to mark our 10. Oh, this is the number, it says 14. We're going to move this number down here. 14 is 10 and how many more? So what number do we have to put in this number, boys and girls, right here? Exactly, 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. This number goes here. 4 more. 14 is 10 and 4. Breaking apart the number 14. All right, let's finish with number 13. Trace over our 13 neatly. Now in the first box, we know we have 10, so this whole box will be full. The whole 10 frame is full. And how many more? Right here, this number right here. And 3 more. So we will just put 3 dots in that second 10 frame. And now we need to complete this number sentence. This big number, 13, is, what's this number? 10, very good. And 3 more, very good. All right, excellent job.